And today we have a 2005 Chevy Silverado 3500 crew cab, long bed, dually, one owner, California owned all of its life. This is the perfect example of a fully preserved truck that is in new condition. The undercarriage of this truck has never seen any snow or mud or dirt at all. It is in new condition. Paint is in excellent condition, shows no dents or scratches at all. I think I noticed a couple tiny scratches that I'll bring up in the video. One of them is right here. That's been touched up. And there's another little spot. The owner of this truck has owned it since 2005. He ordered it, loaded it with all the options. It is the LT, dual power seats, heated seats, Bose sound system, 6-disc changer in dash, leather interior, etc. Even the rear slider. Running boards, extendable towing mirrors. This truck, he sent it in 2017 to Banks Engineering in California and had him do the full Banks power package upgrade on it. It is 100% CARB certified with all the stickers. Got all the manuals for all the Banks upgrades on here. Does have trailer brakes as well. We just added a brand new set of FALKEN Wild Peaks AT4s all the way around in 10-ply rating. So you are ready to go. New BILSTEIN 5100 shocks all the way around. He also has added rear load leveling airbags that can go up to 100 PSI if needed. You'll see them in the pictures. The truck does come with a spray-in bed liner. Show you here. And a 7-way plug-in. He did have a 5th wheel in it that he removed it, but it's ready for a 5th wheel. Rear slider, like I said. Other than that, it is in excellent condition. You have your valves right here on the side, underneath, to pump up your bags. The interior of this truck is just in another level of exception. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no wear spots. This is the original seat covering. It has not been replaced or rebuilt or any of that stuff. There's no wear and tear on the truck at all. Factory rubber mats. The carpet underneath is in excellent condition. There's the Banks monitor. Headliner is in stock condition, like new. There's no sagging. There's no issues with it. There's no rips. There's no stains. There's no cigarette burns. It's got the rear audio option as well, with the rear cup holders. Rear armrest. Obviously the other seat does the same. I've seen a lot of trucks, but this thing is just on another level of how well kept up. There's the bedsides, there's no scratches on them, as most of the dualies happen, you know, with little bumps or accidents. Oh, there's the other little scratch that I was talking about. So those are the two only flaws that I saw on the truck. The rear bumper had a dent in it right here on the side. So we optioned down and replaced the rear bumper. You got a brand new bumper in the back. Full Banks Monster exhaust system. That was done by Banks. Same thing here. It's in excellent condition. There's no issues with the beds. The paint is super glossy and nice. And I'll go down and show you the undercarriage of this truck. 100% rust free. There's the jack. When I was speaking with the owner, he has never used it. Never been smoked in. Never been rallied. And the gentleman felt he's at the age where he's just not using the truck anymore. So he was trying to minimize. He used this truck to pull his travel trailer when he went on camping trips, kind of every year. Other than that, this was not his daily driver. I do have all the original books, manuals, and 3 keys, 2 remote fobs, original window sticker. The power mirrors, the extendable part works. As we all know, sometimes you gotta give it a little couple taps. They get jammed because they haven't been used. Headlights are in excellent condition, and these are the factory GM headlights. So these are not the cheap Amazon replacements because they fog up. This truck was stored indoors all of its life until it was just used on a few trips. 52,900 some miles, actual miles. Let's get this thing fired up. This is the LLY with the heavy duty power package. Well, it just rolled to 53,001. There's the stereo. All the services up to date. Never been smoked in. The owner just 2,900 miles ago, 2,800 miles ago, had all the fluids flushed and changed on the truck. So front differential, rear differential, brake fluid, power steering fluid, filters changed, coolant flushed and changed as well. We just installed brand new wipers on it. The brakes, he had them changed as well. Batteries are 1 year old, 23. So 2 new batteries, fresh coolant. It's got the Banks Ram air colder intake. There's all your CARB certificates, so you will not have any emission problems in California. Does have the tuner, the Banks tuner with the Banks speed brake. Got great gas mileage. We love hauling with it. Never had any issues or hesitations. Got that heavy duty Reese hitch. Here's the undercarriage. Yes, these are the inner fenders. They're just impossible to find like this. Let's go under here, show you. Yes, this truck is 20 years old, believe it or not, and it's in new condition. I can finance this DURAMAX up to 84 months. Standard credit union financing with rates as if it was a model 2020. This is a special program that we have. Your bank cannot do it. Your bank cannot go for the term or the true market value. I can help you with that. Second thing, I can ship this dually right from my showroom, right to your front door, anywhere in the country, or even to Alaska or Hawaii. So let me know how I can help. Let's make this yours. You don't find one owner, California-owned trucks every day, especially with 53,000 miles.